Student friends, once again we are going to repeat the article Bluetooth, which was not audible to you last time. Dear students, in yesterday's lecture we studied the principle of radar and the entire construction working of the radar in the form of the block diagram. We also studied how radar is used to detect the target, and also it is used to measure the range of the target. A radar transmits the micro radiations in the form of allotted pulse width. They are allowed to be incident on the target. The reflected echo signal is received during the pulse repetition time. By knowing the time required to transmit and receive the micro radiation between radar and the target, by knowing the velocity of the micro radiation, that is 162,000 nautical mile per second, one can calculate the range of the radar, elevation of the target, and also it generates the image of that particular target on the plan position indicator of the radar. After completing that particular aspect of radar, we are going to study one of the device that operates on the micro radiation, that is known as Bluetooth. It is called as a Bluetooth because it emits the frequency in the ultraviolet radiation in the form of microwaves, whose wavelength is as good as same as that of blue colored wavelength. It is a device which is used to transmit and receive the data from one device to the otherless device wirelessly. It doesn't require any physical connection. Bluetooth may be fitted in the device or it may be outside the device. You might be observed various types of the Bluetooth devices. You are transferring the data from one mobile to the other mobile via Bluetooth only. You are listening the audio songs through the Bluetooth speaker. You are transmitting the audio signal through the Bluetooth mic. You are playing the game console by using the Bluetooth. Hence, Bluetooth is a device that is used to exchange the data for a short distance with short wavelength in UHF radio frequency range within ISF band, having the frequency 2.4 GHz to 2.45 GHz from fixed and movable device built in personal area network. Bluetooth operates within an ISF band frequency range of 2.4 GHz to 2.45 GHz within personal area network, means area covered by Bluetooth is very less. There are different types of the networks which we are going to study in the next topic. Maybe it is a wide area network, maybe it is a local area network, maybe it is a metropolitan area network. Like that, here is a personal area network. within which by using Bluetooth you can communicate the data from one device with the other device. Bluetooth is invented by Ericsson in 1994. It was used as an alternative source for RS-232. Dear students, you have used RS-232 for serial communication between microcontroller and that of PC. So Bluetooth is another alternative source that is used to undergo serial communication between the two devices that replaces RS-232. It connects several devices, overcoming the problem of synchronization. We have experienced that one mobile is going to be connected to several mobiles through the Bluetooth with the aspect of synchronization. It has guard band of 2 GHz at the bottom and 3.5 GHz at the top. Guard band is used to guard the data during the transmission. It divides transmitted data into packets and transmits each packet to the designated Bluetooth channel with 1 MHz bandwidth. Means Bluetooth communicates the data in the form of packet, in the form of group of data within a bandwidth of 1 MHz to the designated Bluetooth channel. Designated means for which it is paired. For that particular paired Bluetooth only, within the bandwidth of 1 MHz, in the form of packet, it transmits the data and also it receives the data. It is a packet-based master-slave structure. Bluetooth operates with the aspect of master and slave concept. You studied the aspect of master and slave when you studied the flip-flops. Slave copies the master. Master does the new thing. Whatever the master does, same thing will be done by means of a slave. In that particular aspect, the Bluetooth operates. One master communicates with 7 devices in a piconet. Means at a time, one master communicates with the 7 devices. 7 slaves within a piconet. Means 7 slaves copies the master within allotted piconet area. All devices share master clock with 312.5 microsecond interval. Master clock period is 312.5 microsecond width. When two clocks shares, it makes the one slot having the width of 625 microsecond. And such a 2 slots makes a pair having the time period of 1250 microsecond. In single slot, master transmits even slot and receives the odd slot. But remember, within one slot, master transmits the even slot and receives the odd. But at the same time, the slave receives the even slot and transmits the odd slot. Their functions of master and slave are opposite with each other. But in all the case, transmission begins with even slot and slave begins with odd slot. Many USB Bluetooth adapters and dongles are available. Even we are using the dongles for internet connections or PC. which are manufactured by the different companies. All those dongles or Bluetooths may be of USB. A Bluetooth exists in many products like telephone, tablet, PC, media player, robot, laptop, game console equipment, HD handset, modems, smart watches, etc. Means Bluetooth is used to communicate the data in the variety of the products. It may also be used in Bluetooth mic, Bluetooth speaker, telephone, tablet, robot, laptop, game, handset, smartwatches. These and such applications, such devices makes use of the communication by means of a Bluetooth. Computer may use inbuilt Bluetooth or external adapter. Friends, a wireless keyboard and wireless mouse are connected to the PC via Bluetooth only. No wire is required. Directly you can operate. Keyboard and mouse as per your requirement, again by using the Bluetooth only. Bluetooth was established by the Ericsson, IBM, Intel, Toshiba, Nokia, etc. Means these are the different companies which may produce the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is available in the variety of the versions like 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 2.0 plus EPR, 2.1 plus EPR, 3.0 plus HS, 4.1, 4.2, having their own different specifications. As per application requirement, versions of the Bluetooth are being used. Now we are going to study the applications of the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is used as a wireless control and communication between mobile phone and hands-free handset. Means wireless communication between mobile phone and hands-free handset with the help of the Bluetooth. Means communication between the two mobile via Bluetooth. It can be also used wireless control and communication between mobile phone and car Bluetooth stereo. All of you have an experience. You can operate your car stereo by using your mobile Bluetooth. You can play audio song, you can play video song on your car Bluetooth stereo. Next application is wireless control and communication with tablet speaker and Android system. That is what Bluetooth speaker. Wireless streaming of audio headphone. Means it is used in headphone. Friends, we are using the wireless headphone where we are receiving the data from your mobile without physical connection with the mobile, and that is again via Bluetooth. You might be experienced with that also. Wireless networking between PC and confined space. You can connect the PCs with each other so as to form the local area network by using Bluetooth. Wireless communication with the input and output devices. Just now I have explained that keyboard and mouse are connected to the PC with Bluetooth, and even output devices is also communicating via Bluetooth only. transformation of files, contact details, calendar, appointments, and reminders between the devices. All these aspects are set in your mobile and made available for you as per your requirement. You are using the calendar of the mobile, you are setting the date there, you are setting the time, and mobile is going to remind you as per your requirement. So that is possible with the help of Bluetooth only. As usual, we already explained that it is used to replace RS-232, and also it is used to replace the higher interfacing device. It is also going to act as a wireless bridge between two industrial Ethernet. Ethernet is a car that establishes the internet. Between two Ethernet industrial aspect, it is going to act as a bridge. It is used in game console. It is used as a dial-up internet access as a wireless modem. That is wireless dongle in the form of Bluetooth. It can be used to access the internet. Short-range health sensor data from the medical devices to mobile phone as a modem. Health information is obtained on the mobile with the help of the Bluetooth, allowing phone to ring and answer call on behalf of nearby mobile phone. It is also going to be act as an answer calling device. It produces a ring on the mobile. It is used to locate the real-time system. It is also used as a personal security on the mobile phone. It is used as a wireless audio transmission. Student friends, that's why Bluetooth plays the very important and vital role which works on the microwave communication. Dear students, that's all about the Bluetooth. Almost all video lecture number 7, video lecture number 8 and video lecture number 9. Once again, we are forwarding to you. Again watch it and use it for your required purpose.